Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Pokemon Go update, new routes feature in Pokemon Go. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So here in Pokemon Go there has been a new update in Pokemon Go where there's routes now that you can go. So it's basically a wonderful new feature that has emerged in Pokemon Go. So routes are in-game mechanic that allows you to create or follow walking trails created by other Pokemon trainers and in your local area. So you can create your own route if you choose to, and you can also join and choose a route to choose. So basically routes are expanding like never before. So it's increased route availability across the globe, a lower level requirement for trainers to create a route, and also several quality of life improvements. So this includes seeing more routes and listed while in the nearby menu. So it's going to be found here in your nearby menu already. So as you can see, there's route right here in the top right corner. So while you're doing it, you can also get count of the Zygarde cells for your collection in the Zygarde cube details located here in your special task. So as you can see, follow 5 routes and earn candies while walking your buddy through those routes too. So in the future, trainers can expect for routes to continue to spring up around the world as more approved. In addition, you can look forward to the following changes. So basically, more trainers will be able to create routes too, and also trainers will be able to find Zygarde cells more often while exploring those routes. So basically, to join one, all you have to do is see nearby routes. So as you can see right here, there's one, it's called Aurora Hill. So it's the nearest one from my place. So here, it's around 1.2 kilometers for a 28-minute walk. So there has been 293 community trips, and it has been chosen here as a main route taken by Aurora Hill jeepneys, which is a local transportation here in the Philippines. So basically, there's also a report route here and other details that you must find here. So here you'll see your location when you press this button, so you can choose to follow this route right here. All you have to do is look for it in your map as you navigate through wherever you're going, since you have to follow this route to get Zygarde cells and other things like that. So here, there you go. So there's the start. As you can see, it's around right there. There you go. So you have to start from there. And then from there, you will see there's a route right there leading across there and onto my upper left corner of the screen, finishing all the way up there. So it's around somewhere there. So it'll finish up right there. So here in the routes, you will encounter Zygarde cells and other things like that. So there's also bonuses for exploring routes and doing the task needed for it. So all you have to do is follow the route until at the end of the first time. You'll earn the route badge too. So your badge is going to be located here in your me, and you'll find it right there. So there's route badges right here. As you can see, I have collected 5 badges already from doing so. Particularly here, as you can see, I have joined another Pokemon Go in another application since I can't really navigate with using iOS. So right here, as you can see that we're gonna try and navigate the route. So all you have to do is go here in your nearby option, and then you go to route, and then you will see all the nearby routes. So as you can see, there's 23 nearby me. So we'll just choose the nearest one to me right here, and then we'll follow it. So we're gonna start a new route. So first off, you're gonna have to start from here. So as you can see, it has started. So all you have to do is follow the guidelines. So it starts all the way from here. So as you can see, you're gonna encounter some Pokemon on the way. As you can see, I already have encountered a Metang, Chansey, and other Pokemon like that. So we just follow the route like usual, walking, 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 walking. So it has to accomplish that blue line for it to be registered as you're walking through the route. So as you can see, it's being registered as I walk through. So there you go, guys. So all you have to do is follow this route until the very end, until you get a reward and you encounter a Zygarde cell. So we're just going to try and find the Zygarde cell as we're doing so. So it's going to be with our Zygarde report, field report 2, since it's part of its task to find one so we can evolve Zygarde into a new species. So we're going to have to find a Zygarde to get a hold of the Zygarde cube. So let's try to find one as we're doing this route right here. So there you go, it's going blue. It's not fully going blue. Oh, there you go. There, it's going blue. So you know you have finished that part of the route when it turns blue, basically. And there you go. So it's just turning blue. So it has been registered as finished already. So as you can see, the end of the route is just around there. It's 189 meters from where I'm standing right now. So all you have to do is finish this until you get the Zygarde cube and other special encounters. So you might want to use your incense for this too. I don't really use my daily incense since I have all the Pokemon I already need. So we just have to finish this as usual. So you might want to spin some discs right here too, so that you have extra points and stuff. And there you go, guys. You have found a Zygarde cell. All you have to do is press it. Wait, that's not a Zygarde cell, that's a Pidgey. So there's a Zygarde cell. And you have a Zygarde cell, so it was sucked into the Zygarde cube. And then you can finish up the route you are taking. So once you have finished it, all you have to do is mark it as done, like usual, and you are set to go home. And you can start a new route. So there, just press complete route, and press yes, and you will earn a badge. It's just simple as that. So from there, you will get rewards such as Fast TM, Stardust, and other berries and XP, of course. And then you have to rate this route basically after you have done the route. So from there, you will just have to find another route. And thank you for watching this video. See you again next time.